Look at this, I can even turn the water pump. Holy cow, it just sees in there. Oh my god. Alright, so you guys probably thinking, what the heck is that? And some of you guys have worked with 4 guys doing this know what that is. Here's a replacement timing belt tensioner, new one right there. Part number if you need it. So that thing is another clever way to take the tension off the belt. I just use that tool for the spring, those retainer spring, that little guy. So if I pinch this thing, that thing will close. Make sure you line it up first and just press it, click, there you go. Now you can take out the belt. Just like that. Or you can press this lever till those 2 tabs will line up and you lock it with the pin on it. I'm gonna adjust that here, hold on. Okay, we're on the top, so you know that the belt is off. T40, that's what you use. T40 on that. Just go like that. That's it, guys. That's how you take out the tension off the belt. Alright guys, so let's take out the bolts for the oil pump. There's 3 up here and then 3 down there, so 6 total. So 8 mil on that one. You know what, I'm gonna end up taking this out first. So after taking out that tensioner, just move the belt over so you have lots of room. This is all locked down, crank is locked down, timing belt on the bottom to the sprocket is all locked down, it's not gonna move. Now I'm gonna take out this water pump. So 8 mil, make sure you got a catch can to catch the coolant when this thing is water pump is loose. Right guys, so this is the last bolt on the water pump. See this thread sealant right there. So show you something here. So this is why we changed this water pump, because look at the weep pool. Where is it? It was leaking fluid in here, and it's leaking fluid right in here. It's been leaking for a while and get overheat, and you can tell I can't even, look at this, I can't even turn the water pump. Holy cow, it just seized in there. Oh my god, this thing seized up. That's why we're changing it. So we'll clean up around that area here and put a new one in. I got a gasket already, new water pump, and coolant. Alright, so there's a brand new water pump. And then brand new gasket. Just put them back together.